Let's see what it's saying then. I was about to say that we're going to be covered in mud. I can take off my coat anyway. I've got waterproof bottoms on.
Wipes, the mats are I've been planning this. The mats are full, Roba, if you look around here. Look at this. And the
Which way you want to go?
let's go straight.
These are some decent ruts. You just gotta watch you don't hit a tree. You don't watch you gotta don't hit a tree stump or something in them though. Yeah, there's a few blind turns, isn't there? I should be able to record you too. I shouldn't have put my foot down. Go in front, I'll be able to record you. This one's it's a bit chic. Do you want a proper one that can record for longer?